The Kachikau Primary School Disability Unit in the village of Chobe in Botswana accommodates learners with disabilities. The school infrastructure was deteriorating, which made learning and mobility difficult for learners with special needs. African Bush Camp Foundation has been assisting the school by improving on the wheelchair ramps, paving the walkways, fixing the rain trenches, which really was a challenge that we saw in most of the dorm rooms where a lot of them would be flooding during the rainy season. And as well as building a multi-purpose communal dining facility, which really allows the learners to no longer be dining and eating in their dorm rooms by having a communal area in which they can come together, share a meal and really fellowship.
We can even use for any other purposes. After feeding, maybe when we feel like it's time for entertainment, maybe we can play maybe a radio for them for dancing and celebrations, watch TVs. If we don't want to congest their sleeping places in hostels, we bring all activities inside here.
These are just some of the ways in which African Bush Camp Foundation has been making a difference and an impact in this community and in the school. Because for us, one of the important pillars in education is ensuring that we are creating an environment that is conducive for learning.
We are so pleased. I don't know whether I could really say for God to have sent us a stakeholder like African Bush Camp.
With your support and with your generous donations, we will continue to support this disability unit and the schools in Botswana.